Why does your scanner show the P2006 engine code? And what does it mean? The P2006 engine fault code stands for Intake Manifold Runner Control, stuck in closed bank 1. The P2006 code indicates that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has requested the Intake Manifold Runner Control, IMRC, to open, but the sensor has noted that the IMRC actuator is stuck in bank 1 in the closed position. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: carbon buildup, wiring issues, faulty MAP sensor, failed IMRC actuator, broken connecting rod or PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P2006 engine error code commonly appears in various vehicle models, particularly those equipped with Intake Manifold Runner Control IMRC systems. Notable examples include Ford F-150, Jeep Compass, and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.